Hi, I just spoke for like 2 minutes straight and realized the mic wasn't connected. So, excuse my rage if it shows. I will try to hold it in. Moving on. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Anshita and I tell everything in sevens. As you already know, we went to Janpad and wahan se we did a lot of shopping, and this video is going to be about the 7 things that I absolutely loved purchasing from Janpad. Do you prefer Sarojini or Janpad? Because I feel like you can get better clothes at lower pricing in Sarojini if you really have the eye for it. I have an entire collection of Sarojini clothing that nobody can ever tell that it's from Sarojini unless I've told them, which I do anytime anybody asks me. I'm like, oh, it's from Sarojini. Anyways, this video is about Janpad. It's currently 11. I have had a shoot day today. I am extremely tired, but I am here because I know I have been super inactive. I have like 3 videos pending which I have shot and haven't been able to edit. I will try to be more consistent. I hope I post this on time. Starting off strong with the video. This is the top that I got. It's for 280 rupees. Bhaiya asked for like 600. हम लोगों ने बहुत try किया to get him to come down to at least 200, but वो माने नहीं, तो 280 तक मनाना पड़ा. But उससे 10 कदम आगे चलते ही we saw another store. उस पे same top already 300 का मिल रहा था, तो वो मिल जाता 200 का, पर ये ले लिया था तो I saw this. I loved the structure. I planned this entire fit as soon as I spotted the top. And that is why I was like, I have to get this. So I did. At the end of the day, khush rehna chahiye. So this was the first purchase. That is the number one. The second purchase, I'm going to tell you, you're going to love it too. Okay, I saw it and I just knew that this was meant for me. These bangles ka set, can you see? Don't see, here. Now, every single time I'm going to wear this, I'm going to sound like I am actually really proud of the divas that have brought Indian culture and made it an aesthetic, because Gen Z are so obsessed with everything that used to be called Behenji types, you know what I mean. And I am so in love with that idea, like the bindis, the bangles, the sleek bun, the dupattas, ethnic wear, everything. They're going crazy with it and we love to see it. I just love women. I love whatever they're doing for the world. I know you're a part of that too. I love you, Barry. The only drawback was they were on a fixed price sale and I had to get them for about 450. But they look very pretty. They can go with every outfit. They sound very nice. And that is how I gaslighted myself into buying it. I am actually not a fan of talking videos, but I hope you guys enjoy my talking videos, because how else are we going to run this channel, my lady? I got another top which is very similar to this one. It just doesn't have the flare thing in the bottom. This is the top, okay? You can tie this in the back. I think it will look great with a brown pair of jeans and a black skirt. I will probably be styling it with a black skirt. There's one thing about me. As soon as I get a piece of cloth, I just need to see how it looks on me. I just need to style it. I just need to wear it right after the day I got it, because you have to wash these clothes first before wearing. Please remember that. The fourth item is a top again. I know, I'm just a girl. I saw this color and I was like, I have to get it. This is the color and this is the print. And on top of that, it has a corset back. Like, are you kidding? I will pair it up with probably some white bottoms or maybe jeans only. This was for 250 rupees. It has full sleeves. I am telling you, you go to Janpad and you go crazy. You buy anything and everything that you see and find it worthy enough to, and you give all your money away. Yeah, take it. Give me. That is how it goes. Next up, what is my favorite compliment? It is that I smell very nice. How do I do that? Well, my friend introduced me to this one shop. When you enter through the gate, I don't know if it's in the right of the gate or the left of the gate, but it is there somewhere. And we got these Itrika bottles from there. This one is vanilla. It smells absolutely delicious, like I would eat myself up. Whenever I have applied this, I smell like a bakery. Like, I love smelling like this. This is my most favorite bottle ever, which is why it has been used very less, because you only use it for special occasion. I just love the smell of this. It smells purely like vanilla. Like, and then we have the another bottle, that is the purple oud. This is the one that was recommended by my friend. She recommended me to get this and I fell in love. I'm telling you, I have always got a compliment every single time I wore this. It smells so fresh and so beautiful, like it's indescribable. You go to this bhaiya who has Itra ka sara bottles. He had some crazy scents, bro. Like you know the scent jo hota hai, which comes after the rain, jo mitti ka smell hota hai. He had that also, and the Itra smelled like mitti. My first thought was that this smells so good, like it's exactly the same as the mud after rain. My second thought was, who the hell wants to smell like mud, bro? No judgments. Anyways, moving on. I got these very, 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 very beautiful pair of earrings. So my friend and I, we got same ones. She got it in golden, I got it in silver. I think it will go perfectly with any outfit. We got this from the bhaiya who sits outside the market. He has some amazing trendy collection. I love these earrings so much. I cannot wait to wear them. Now, the last one and the most beautiful one, the one that I'm most excited to wear, and the one that caught my eye in the first sight. You know, that one purchase that you really, 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 really are proud of. Yeah, this is the one. I got this beautiful dress. Obviously, it has to be a dress, because you know how much I love dresses. Do you though? I'll make another video of 7 dresses that I own that I'm extremely in love with. This is the dress that I got. Okay, this is orange in color. It's a short dress. It has an open back where you get to tie these, obviously, according to your preference, according to your fittings. That's a great thing for a girl who loves fitted dresses. All of those pop, bright colors, I love seeing them, I love owning them, and I love wearing them. All of them suit my skin tone so well. They're just absolutely the prettiest. I got it for 200, I think, or maybe 250. I feel like it was a great investment. I would love to go out, get beautiful dresses for just rupees 200. That would be amazing. This was the entire haul of everything that I got from the Janpat shopping that we did. That was it for the video. I'll see you in the next one. Do leave a like, a comment, or share it to somebody who might also resonate with the content that I post. See you. Bye.